This is going to be in two parts because my wireless just crapped out on me. So this is T-50. Today we're going to start with a big one, and that is your clothes. Don't be overwhelmed. Just get rid of clothes that you don't want or need. I'll tell you more when I'm able to function more technologically, but please don't overwhelm yourself. Maybe you want, if you have two closets, you want to just do one. If you have a walk-in closet, you want to just do one wall of it. Maybe you just want to focus on tops or focus on bottoms. Maybe you want to do every closet in your house today. Okay. Don't overwhelm yourself. That's all I'm asking is please don't overwhelm yourself. That's not what this is about. This is about letting go of things that are taking up space in your life, therefore in your mind. Okay? Making life better. So tomorrow we'll have something else that we're going to focus on. So today, decide please which closet, what you're going to do. You can involve your kids or not. You could say to your teenagers, hey, you want to help me with my closet? Meaning I'm going to come out and wear some stuff and you tell me if it looks good or not. Or not. Have fun with it. What I would suggest and ask is that if you do decide to get rid of things, that you put them in a bag and put them somewhere else. Don't keep them piled up in your room, please, because that's too tempting to take them back in. So the things that don't feel good is the main thing. The things you don't wear anymore. If you want to decide you're going to give them to someone else, put them in a plastic bag and write that person's name on it and put them in your front closet or somewhere else. It's okay to trade and give. In fact, that's why I keep friends who have good taste, because my wardrobe is limited. Sometimes I need something special to wear. So that's who I go to. But anyway, because I borrow stuff and then I could give it back. So that's just me. But you do what's comfortable for you today. And you can post anything you want to here on Facebook, I think. You should be able to. And let me know how you're doing. Thank you so much for doing this today and for sticking with me while I'm trying to figure all this technology out. But the main thing is have fun. Have fun. Get rid of the stuff in your life that doesn't fit your life anymore. If you have clothes when you were 20 pounds lighter or 20 pounds heavier, the point is to live in the now. You know, do you need, how many dress-up blouses do you need? Or maybe you need a lot of them because that fits your life. I have friends who don't have kids. Like for me, I had to go a little minimalist when I had kids because I had to focus on what they were doing. But, you know, I have friends who like scarves and jewelry and all that stuff. So, and that's great if you have time for that and you want to do it and you use it. That's the point, if you use them. If you don't use them, please allow someone else to use them. My great and holy mentor, who was a person who was my work supervisor years ago, was the first one who told me, why should I have 16 water glasses when some people don't have any? As she would constantly take stuff to the thrift store or whatever. And that was the first time in all my years. And that was she told me that probably before Marie Kondo was born. So, okay, she just knew that she wasn't going to clutter her life with stuff she didn't need or stuff she had to fool with or take care of or think about. That was my first inkling way back then that accumulation may not be the only way. That maybe I don't need to gather up stuff. I don't know. It was new to me. So have fun today with your clothes. Keep those things that are useful, like my old pair of painting pants that I keep in the closet because I love painting. Get rid of the stuff that is not useful to you anymore. Do you need 3 winter coats? Maybe you do. Probably not. So have fun with it. Do the kiddos. They end up with lots of stuff. For some reason, we tend to think, like my mom used to love us with food. More food equal more love. Today, I see parents like it. So this thing is gonna turn off. So tomorrow, we'll do something else. So give yourself a deadline. 5 o'clock, I'm finished. Whether I'm finished or not, I'm gonna be done with whatever I'm doing. Don't drag it out. Don't torture yourself. Have a great day. I'm going to look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow in a less shaky venue. Okay, bye.